If you use F5 on Big Edge client to access intranet from home, I suggest you do the following from home on your work laptop. Click on Start. It depends on your operating system, but you will be able to see all programs. And on the program list, you'll see Big IP Edge client. Right click and select Pin to taskbar or start menu. I'll just go taskbar, and from then on you will find this icon at the bottom, and you can start the client like this. Click on that, click on connect. That's provided you have initially applied for permission to access intranet and have set up the soft tokens. Basically, on your mobile phone, you will have to download Windows Authenticator, where you will see 6 numbers randomly generated every 20 seconds. So it's similar to doing online banking. So you will need to know that token every time you log in to the intranet from home. So in this case, I'm just saying no, I'm using the old version to try to connect to the intranet. See, this is like an app. Instead of just a browser, scroll down when it appears, click agree, and now log in through this app. And type in the number which is generated on your Authenticator, Windows Authenticator app, and log on. And this should do the job. Now you will see it says initializing. So this is the last step. It will start connecting to the intranet drives, G drive, J drive, and S drive, and other drives that you can access from your desk on campus. And how do you know if you have got access to these drives? Well, just wait for a few seconds. Normally on the right hand side you will see the mapping to those drives, and then you can just click on the folder icon, the Windows Explorer, go to your computer, and you should be able to see access to these drives, G drives. This is my shortcut to my G drive resources. So if you can view them, it means you have been successfully connected. To disconnect from F5, click again on the icon and just go disconnect. And when the red F5 icon changes the color, you know that you are disconnected from the intranet. See at the bottom, it's no longer red. Red means connected. When it goes back to gray, you are disconnected.